guys, welcome back to Skyclan RC. Today we are back with our first DIY airplane plan, Dexter, a 4-channel trainer RC airplane. Download your free plan from our website and build one today. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for crazy flying machine projects and free DIY airplane plans in future. And if you're new to the RC hobby and want to build and learn flying RC airplanes, here you're at the right place. This airplane is specifically designed for beginners at an inexpensive cost of build and great flying experience. So just have a look at the quick specs, guys. It has an overall wingspan of 990mm and an aspect ratio of 6.2 and an empty weight of just 360 grams. Hence it's a great soarer, so you can just take it to the mountain and keep soaring all around, just like a glider. So it has basic 4 control surfaces like the ailerons, elevator and the rudder. So the motor and propeller combination as per our recommendation goes a 1000 kV motor with an 8-inch prop if you're just a beginner, and if you want to just step into learning some basic aerobatics like the loops and rolls, then just shift into a 10-inch propeller. And this thing goes into wide variety of battery capacities. You can just start from 1000 mAh 3-cell to about 2200 mAh 3-cell batteries. But if you're just a beginner, just start up with 1000 mAh battery. So the build goes very simple and takes just a couple of hours. It uses some simple techniques like the bevel cuts and hot gluing. Firstly, download the plan from our website and print it out in an exact A4 sheet size paper. Then cut out the edges and paste it all together. Once you're done with pasting all the papers together, then paste it on a Depron sheet which is laminated with a transparent tape and then cut it out. Once you're done with the design parameters are given in the plan, the dotted lines indicate single bevel cut and the dotted lines with points indicate double bevel cuts. And all the wooden parts are given in a single sheet, and we recommend to use a 5mm balsa wood or any hobby grade equivalent plywood. So check out the build, guys. Also, the wing on this airplane is detachable. It's just held together by 2 screws. So just unscrew the 2 screws and the wing is removed. You can just carry out in your car, or also the wing mounting wooden parts are given in the plan. So the electronics can be easily mounted on this aircraft. Installing the servos are quite simple. You have servo mounts already given in the plan. You just cut it out in a wooden piece and then just stick it onto the airframe. Servos are just screwed to the surface so that you can remove it and use it for your future projects. Then screw the motor into the wooden motor mount and then glue it onto the Depron motor mount. You can also add some vinyl cutouts for windows. It's already given in the plan. You can just cut it out for your windows and make it look more attractive in the skies. So that covers pretty much everything about the aircraft. So let's take it out for a flight. See you there. So guys, we are at the Mangalore helipad. It's one of the coolest places to fly around here and best place to soar your gliders. So yeah, let's get started. So let's do a pre-flight check. Everything looks fine. About half a throttle to take off. So it barely takes stick inputs. You can just flight with some small inputs. So it takes about quarter throttle to cruise around. And it's a great soarer. Just put it into the wind and so you can do some basic aerobatics like the loops and rolls. Yeah. So that was a basic roll, loop, and let's just start some rolls. So the landing goes very simple. You just have to get it around 50% throttle and just flare it about at the end. So let's come in for a land now. So yeah, that was the flight, guys. You'll get about 10 minutes of flight time with a 1000 mAh battery, and for the design, check out our website and download the plans. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and please consider subscribing and support our channel. Thank you.